Hey, I'm back again, and tonight I am doing another redo. I am redoing my garlic Kievs, the vegetarian Kievs, but I'm doing it in the air fryer. So I've changed the recipe slightly from the last time that I did it, but I will explain that all now. So, first of all, you will see I have 2 corn fillets. Now these were frozen and I've defrosted them and I've sliced them lengthways. So we'll open them up there and there. So I've got 2. Right, so we'll put that aside for the moment. And next up we have the filling. So in here I have 40 grams of cream cheese. This is Philadelphia light, and we have 15 grams of mozzarella, and we've got 1 large clove of garlic, crushed, not chopped. I've done it chopped last time and it wasn't very nice, so crushed, and half a teaspoon of, it should be fresh parsley but I've got frozen, so half a teaspoon of frozen parsley. And all we do is mix this all together. Just like that. And once it's done, you bring back your fillets and you fill half the mixture into one, half into the other. You use the bottom side and we just put the filling in. And then spread it all the way across the fillet. There we go. Once that's done, put the tops back on, push them down a little bit, but try and make sure there's no filling coming out of it. So just try and tuck that in a bit. There we go. And now we're going to put them aside while we make the outside. Right, so for the batter I have 35 grams of sieved plain flour, and I am going to add just a little sprinkle of paprika because I love it, and then we're going to add 50 mils of cold water. You might need to add a little bit more after. Let's have a check. Right, that's 50 mils, and then you mix it in and it should become a paste. Yeah, so I'm going to need a bit more, so add a bit more. It should be runny as well so that you can actually cover the fillets in it. just a little drop more. Get all the lumps out. Go, that's the paste for our batter. And lastly, you want 50 grams of ciabatta breadcrumbs, and into this I like to add just a little bit of basil. This is optional, this is all trial and error for me, and I think that's about a tablespoon, a teaspoon. Just mix that in. You can put whatever herbs you like with it. So, there we go. So we've got our paste and our breadcrumbs. Let's make sure you can see both. Okay, now all you do is take a fillet, roll it in the paste, make sure it's all coated, and then into the breadcrumbs. Use your dry hand, coat it in breadcrumbs, there you go, that's one. Do the other one, take the wet hand again, into the paste, and then into the breadcrumbs with your dry hand, coat again. There you go, there's number two. Right, so once your Kievs have been made, if you take your air fryer, preheat it at 180, and you just want to place them in completely dry, and they're going to cook just like that for 12 minutes. There's no need to turn them, just put them straight in for 12 minutes and you're done. So come back in 12 minutes. Alright, so that's the Kievs, should be done. Have a look at that. So we're just going to get these out onto a plate. Lovely. Now let's take a quick look inside. And there you go, garlic Kiev in the air fryer. Yum.